Now for the spinach gravy, I have took fresh spinach, 2 bunches. It's a little pretty large bunch. So you can substitute this fresh bunch with the frozen spinach also. And if you are using a frozen spinach, you have to defrost it to make it soft before the preparation. And so today I am going to show you with the fresh spinach. And for this, I have took 50 grams of cabbage rough cut. So this is completely optional, but this gives a nice body for this gravy. So I'm going to use this cabbage. And now for this, the powdered spices is just 2 we need. One is turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, and chilli powder, 1 tablespoon. Kasur methi for flavor, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use 4 to 5 green chilli for spiciness, and 5 to 6 of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger roughly cut. Now I am going to tell you what are all the whole spices we need. 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 small bay leaf, cinnamon ½ inch, 2 green cardamom, 1 star anise, and 3 numbers of cloves. Along with this, we need required amount of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar for blanching the spinach in order to retain its green color. Now let's get started with this by keeping the pan of water in it to blanch the fresh spinach. Suppose if you are using the frozen spinach, you can skip this step because for frozen spinach we don't want blanching. As if we are using the fresh spinach, I am going to blanch it. So let's wait till the water gets boiled. Once the water reaches our boiling point, now it's ready to blanch. Before adding the spinach in the hot water, we have to keep ready the colander like this, and also the ice cold water, which helps to stop the cooking of spinach in order to retain the green color. So now I am adding the fresh spinach. I have already washed and kept. Make sure you wash it nicely before blanching. Add it slowly. Just press the spinach gently inside the water. And as I said you earlier, if you are using frozen spinach, no need of blanching. Now, for retaining the color, I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar in the hot water. Along with this, we are going to add salt in it. Maybe around 1 tablespoon of salt. Just give it a stir and let blanch it for just hardly 1 to 1.5 minutes, and then we are going to strain it. Now already our spinach got blanched. I am switching off the flame and slowly we need to take out this. If you leave it for more time, then our spinach will become black. Then our gravy will get discolor. So first strain it immediately from the hot water. Just remove everything without any pieces of spinach in the water. And now I am going to add this inside the ice cold water. Just press it. And let me keep this aside for another 2 to 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am going to show you the preparation of this gravy. I am adding in the hot pan 25 ml of oil. Now all the whole spices goes in it. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Let's wait till it gets splutters. And now I am going to add the whole garlic in this, because this one we are going to blend it. So we can add the whole garlic and ginger along with this. And also I am adding the green chilli along with this. Let me cook this for 30 seconds till all the flavors get infused in the oil. Now for this, we are not going to add any onion in it because it will spoil fast. So I am adding cabbage in this rough cut. And at this stage, I am going to add the spinach which I have kept it in the ice cold water. Just I have strained it, and now I am adding the spinach along with this. Just stir it. Now let's add the turmeric powder, chilli powder along with this. We have added the whole coriander seeds, so we don't want to add any coriander powder in it. And finally, I am going to add the kasur methi for flavor. So just sauteing for another few seconds till the raw flavor of the masala goes off from it. Now I am adding like around 50 ml of water in this. Now just after like around 5 minutes, I am going to switch off the flame. This is ready, and we should not cook this for a longer time because our spinach will get discolored. Now let me wait till it comes to the room temperature, then we are going to blend this to a fine puree. Now our spinach has came down to the room temperature. I am going to blend this to a fine puree. Let's add in the jar. Let's cover it. We are not supposed to add any water, just we are going to blend it as it is. I have blended already. Now let me show you how the gravy has came out. See, excellent green color, and I am transferring it in the container. Our spinach gravy is ready. Now I am going to present you all 6 gravies, and let's see.